Good morning, this is Daniel the Chief Student Meteorologist for the Severe Weather Center Weather Forecast Office in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today's date is Wednesday, July 10th, 2019. And now sunrise 5:19 a.m. and then sunset 10:01 p.m. And today's weather, it will be mainly cloudy into the afternoon with a high temperature of 21 degrees. It feels like 22. And there are risk of severe thunderstorms starting at 9 o'clock. And get prepared. Remember your flashlights. And the wind is coming from the north at 9 kilometers per hour. And the wind gust 15 kilometers per hour. Relative humidity 73%. Pressure is falling to high 1.4 kilopascals. And tonight it will be cloudy with showers with a low temperature 14 degrees. Let's look at the 4-day weather forecast. On Thursday, risk of thunderstorms, high 19 and the low 13. And then on Friday, chance showers, high 23 and the low 14. And then on Saturday, risk of strong thunderstorms, high 24 and a low 14. And then on Sunday, risk of thunderstorms, high 22 and a low 13. And up next is the almanac. Yesterday's high is 17 degrees. Yesterday's low is 10 degrees. The warmest temperature was in 2001 at 33 degrees Celsius. The coldest temperature was in 1885 at 2.8 degrees Celsius. You can follow me at www.thejoshua.weatherman.com. You can go to the Weather Network on your favorite app store, and also you can follow me on Facebook. And thank you for watching.